Namaste. That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced. You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. From this thing I can make, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. Lost in my world, if you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You could have all this space, more than you need. There's no pressure, if you got time to waste it with you. Then I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted us to see it. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you hit me on a late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. I'll take you sit inside. I'll sit my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. Yeah. The 10,000 bill, they get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. They get plenty things counted life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck, his chest games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm on purple rain, Princeton, Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the mangoes just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check out.
I just finished getting ready. I'm about to go get my ear piercing. I'm about to go to the piercing shop. I am fucking terrified. I can't even lie. Like, I hate getting piercings. I think I told y'all before that I had a lot of piercings, but each time I get a piercing, I'm just so scared. It be hurting. Like, I'd really rather get a tattoo. I've had a nose piercing. I've had a septum piercing. I had a smiley before. I had a rook piercing, but it was on this ear. And I got a belly piercing. And I think that was it. The piercing I'm getting today is I'm getting another rook piercing. If y'all don't know what a rook piercing is, it looks like this. I had one before. It was on my left ear. I took it out one day and then I just never put it back in and it ended up closing. So I'm gonna get one on this ear, on my right ear. Y'all, I'm so scared, but I'm so excited. You know, I was ready to get my nose repierced, but then I was like, nah, that's too much, gang. That's too much for me. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. It is the next day, y'all. It is 4/20. It is Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. I don't think I ended up showing y'all my ear piercing that I had got yesterday. It hurt though. It really hurted. I already got ready, as y'all can see. I just finished getting ready and stuff. I'm ready to head out. I got a lot to do today. I'm going to the carnival. I got to get my nana a birthday present. I run a few errands. I'm gonna be outside all day. I'm just gonna be outside all day. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm out there, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to be on the way to get some flowers from my nana. I need to get a card and maybe something else. I don't know.
I was just chasing the flowers. Cause they real and they like stuff like that.
Alright, so these are the flowers we ended up getting for her, from our nana. So they cute. This birthday card, right? Ain't that cute? That match, don't it? Real cute. And then I'm gonna put some money in it. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so it is currently 3:58. I I had got flowers for my nana. I brought them to her. And then we got Ann pizza. We sat here, listened to some music, and now we're ready to leave.
She said, where's that pretty girl teddy bear?
Alright, so we made it here. We made it to the fair. It's kind of boring. I'm ready to go. And they don't have no sausages. But I ate a funnel cake so far, and then this slushy. Dreaming of Saturn, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this better. Go down again. I don't know. Do Easter. Happy Easter. Hello Spring. Hello Spring. This one. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really.
Want to retake?
You want to retake? No, I don't.
How am I still here?
These are cute.
Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to be.
It is so hot out here. Like, it's making me. It's hot.
Good, then where's my reward? The good, the young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck
Y'all, I'm on the fair, so I'm looking scared. Like,
in the stereo dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's advertised. It's got to be more than here before.
Before we start, pull up just a little bit, give yourself some room. Right to the top, down to the top, up, up, round two.
I ended up getting this one. You hold this.
Who won that at?
Life's better on Saturday.
Okay, y'all, so we back from the fair. It was cool. It was kind of boring. Yeah, it was okay. It was okay, but I got this. I showed y'all this bear. Savannah wanted. And then I showed y'all that we took these pictures. You know I gotta drink that water like that. Ready to smoke again and then try to find something to eat. I do not know what I want to eat. Yeah, we just gonna see where the rest of the night goes. But I think she's so cute. What we gonna name this one?
Ellie, the elephant.
Ellie. I started off my morning by just reading a few pages of the Bible. Today I started to read Psalms, so this is my first time reading that part of the Bible. I hope that I said that right. Here's a quote of the day. It is God who arms me with strength and keeps my way secure. Okay, y'all, so I just want to go through what I'm trying to do today. I'm just going to be focusing on cleaning the kitchen. And I'm also going to be cooking dinner tonight. I'm going to be cooking my favorite thing, which is pasta. Yeah, so I also want to try to do some yoga today. I've never really done yoga before, so I'm going to try to do some yoga at home just to relax me a little bit. But let's start off with just cleaning. So we're just going to start off by cleaning the kitchen and living room. So let's get into it.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Brent is. Up in your mouth. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, to hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, just pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you top me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Just do it out of thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
So I finished doing a little clean on the kitchen and the living room. So now I'm ready to get into some yoga. I did find a video on YouTube. This was posted 4 years ago, y'all. Yeah, it says a 10-minute yoga full body stretch for stiff bodies. So I'm gonna do this one. It's a 10-minute yoga stretch. So we just get right into it.
Or even just midday if you've been sitting or standing long hours. Cross-legged more comfortably, hands up overhead. As you exhale, take a side stretch towards your left hand just. Once again, continue moving with the breath. The arms, elbows in line with the shoulders. Begin to gently twist side to side, just going at your own ability. Take the hands to heart center. And when you're the back of that leg, sides, extending the right leg, tucking the toes, and just pressing into the heel. Through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. So, for a little more height and support. Give gratitude for the body, the vessel you have. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.
Y'all, I can't even lie. That felt really good. Maybe I should do that every day. Let me know down in the comments, do y'all do yoga? Do it relax you? What does it do for you? Because that was actually relaxing, and that was just 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to start cooking. I already told y'all that I'm cooking pasta. Y'all already know. So we just gonna get, I always say that. I always say we just gonna get right into it, but we just gonna get right into it.
So much is in the way, babe. Ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. And you gon' take it all for me, all for me. Tell me you can make the day pop for me. You pretty so cry for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. Up to my church and see a candlelight. I can't finish show you what got my money right. Come take it off and show me what it's like. Let me see. I'm in the game, I shoot at draw. With this T2-3. No matter if we disagree, don't mean you up and leave. I bust it down, she rockin' chrome, bitch, she got on her knees. I told them I just want them gone before my city, please. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me.
Good evening. I really feel like this vlog is all over the place. Bear with me. I'm figuring my life out.
It's a surprise.
I'm just figuring out.
You're saying I'm not spontaneous and stuff, so I'm trying to surprise you.
It's a surprise of where we going. I don't know where we going. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my life together. I'm having fun while doing it. You know, you gotta do things like that. I'm about to finish getting myself together, and then I guess I'll see y'all whenever I'm at wherever I'm supposed to be at. Okay? Yeah. But yeah, we're ready to go. Super excited. I never ate there before, so this shirt. I'll see y'all when we get there.
You just like come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my dress cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right. It feels so right. It feels so right. She say I'm in too deep. That you're so right. Told her mama stop what they ain't see it. How they gon' believe it? Going war with time, bitch, too strategic. I can't be.
Got me a lemon drop, you guys. Savannah still babysitting my one drink.
No matter if we disagree, don't mean you up and leave.
My ice cream off yet. I'm just gonna get into it, but I'm gonna take this ice cream off.
Okay, so we go bite it.
Yeah, you gotta get a piece of that ice cream, man.
Okay.
A piece of this thing. Oh, wait.
For camera purposes.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
I bust down, she right wrong, but she got on her knees.
All types of stuff.
We in a plant store. I guess Savannah wants a plant. Or she just wanted to look at plants.
Somebody else, then that's okay. You ain't gotta say nothing to me. Long as when you hear your name, make sure you bring that back to me. I'll make you look McDonald's. One reason you can start. I don't want to break your heart. Gonna make you a superstar. So much is in the way, babe. You don't wanna bother to nobody. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me.
Good morning, y'all. I'm about to start cooking breakfast. I don't feel like it. I wish I could I just want to sleep. I'm cooking potatoes, eggs, and Cinnabon waffles.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, matter of fact what you've been. I was just lying, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. I don't regret it, I know what love is one time.